You know, Kermit the Frog was wrong. It is easy being green. Green is the color of spring, and green can be cool and friendly like. Green can be big like the ocean, important like a mountain, tall as a tree, or delicious like this big ass green salad. All right, so yeah, this is a lot of greens. I mean, even the buttermilk is in a green carton. I could have gone crazy with the amount of greens for this salad, but I wanted to make sure that everything complemented each other, especially with the dressing that we're making, that everything would hold together. So yeah, let's make some salad. Let's start with the frozen peas. Salt a pot of boiling water and add the peas. Blanch for about 2 minutes and immediately remove to an ice bath. That's just a bowl filled with water and ice. This will shock the peas, stop them from cooking, keep their bright green color, and prevent them from getting all mushy. After about 5 minutes, remove the peas to a plate lined with paper towel so the peas can dry. Next up are the fried capers. Drain and completely dry them so that we don't get any oil splatter when we fry them. In a pan on medium to high heat, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and once the oil is nice and hot, add the capers and fry until crispy, about 3 to 4 minutes, and then remove to a plate lined with paper towel so that they can dry. These are the perfect crunchy and salty salad topper. Time to make the salad. Grab a big bowl, because here we go. Now slice or chop up the veggies however you like. We're gonna start with 2 celery stalks. Slice or chop up and then add to the bowl. Next, slice or chop up 3 Persian cucumbers and add to the bowl. Next up, sugar snap peas. These I bought with the strings removed, but if you have to remove them, just peel them off end to end and then slice or chop up and add to the bowl. Up next, half of a Granny Smith apple, slice or chop or cut it into matchsticks like I did and add to the bowl. Then 2 green onions / scallions and slice or chop just the green parts, as the white part we're going to use for the dressing. Next up, 100 grams of romaine lettuce. Chop it all up, wash it, put it in a salad spinner, spin, 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 and add to the bowl. Lastly, the kale. About 125 grams, remove the stems and chop it all up, give a wash, put it in a salad spinner, spin, spin, spin. But before adding to the bowl, give a nice massage to the kale, and then add to the bowl. Time for the dressing. This is similar to like a green goddess dressing. So we're gonna slice open 1 avocado and remove the pit. Grabbing a towel and holding the avocado in the towel is a bit safer, especially when you need to slice down into the pit in one swift motion. Twist and remove, pinch the knife where the pit is, and it should just slip right off. Scoop the flesh out into a bowl and then add 1 or 2 garlic cloves to the bowl. A small bunch or 40 grams of fresh parsley, stems included, is optional, and add to the bowl. Then 5 to 10 fresh basil leaves. Now, depending on your love for basil, 5 leaves for a nice hint of flavor, 10 leaves for a nice punch of flavor. Add everything to a blender, along with 1 cup of buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, those 2 stalks from the green onion / scallions, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and blend on high until smooth. Give a taste and adjust any seasonings. If you want a thinner dressing, just add a little bit of water and blend it up until you get the consistency you want. Then add 3 tablespoons or about 10 grams of chives, finely chopped, to the dressing and mix it in. Now add as much dressing as you like to the big salad and mix it all in, but mix gently so that nothing gets all mushed up. Plate it up nice and high, add some more dressing if you like, and finish with those fried capers and bring it to the table. I love a good salad any day of the week. As a meal, a side, this one you can definitely win friends with, and it has everything. Creaminess, texture, salty, sweet, freshness, acidity, everything. So I hope you give this a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.